This here is a homemade bracket for 4 driving lights. The driving lights are 4.5 inch for my 2003 Ford Ranger because I can't see anymore at night. It's a simple build. It's one of these brackets or hinges, sorry, from Lowe's. I got for $1.65. They're clearing them out. I just MIG welded it together into this. I got my own piece of tubing, drilled some nice pretty holes in it, drilled some holes underneath it. Let me drop that for a second. And the lights can bolt pretty much in any pattern you want. And this is pretty much how it's going to be, and they can aim and tilt and do whatever you want. So at night you can park on down the road. So this is my attempt to put 4 driving lights on my truck without putting it on my back rack or on the roof of the truck, because then I won't be able to get into underground parking and all that other stuff because it's just too tall. And I guess that's about it. We'll hook it up and we'll make another video with it at night and we'll see how that goes.